Today we are going to take a simple product shot with only one light. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kimi aka Kimi Elias. You can find me on Instagram by that same name at kimi.elias. Go check it out. So these kind of product shots is usually used on websites, on the web stores to sell some kind of particular product, and it's fairly easy. Let's go through some basics. I'm using the Sony a7 III with the TAMRON 28-75mm f2.8 lens on it. It's not a macro, it's just a normal all over the place lens. As the light, I'm using the Godox SL60 with the big softbox on top, and that's the only light we are going to use today. For the backdrop, I have clean white PVC product, some kind of backdrop that I ordered from Amazon. And as the product, we have a shiny bottle of wine. Why wine? Because the bottle itself, it's pretty hard to take a picture, a clean picture of a shiny black bottle, and I'm gonna tell you why later on. So first off, we are going to move the light in a position that is actually a little bit on top of the bottle, but the main light is blasting at the background just to get off those nasty stripes. It's pretty much that easy. Right now I got the settings I had on my other shoot today, so it's not perfect, but as you can see behind there is the stripes that I talked about, but you can't really see them right here. So what we're going to do is actually make sure that the bottle itself is clean, because there could be some dirt on it, there could be some dust and all of that, but this actually looks pretty good at the moment. But always make sure that the bottle is clean when you shoot, and use some kind of gloves, because when you touch this, there's gonna be fingerprints. The thing is, with black bottles, they are so reflective, so everything is just reflecting out of it because it's like shiny black glass. But what we're going to do is actually put the camera to self-timer and then move on the other side of the camera, just so, especially when I'm wearing white now, it's going to show off there. So we're gonna minimize all the reflection by going out of the shot. So if possible, move out of the shot. If not, use black clothing. I'm starting off with a shutter speed of 2 seconds and a aperture of f13 with the ISO 50, just to make sure that everything is in focus. As I said, the bottle is reflective, so we have to move beside the bottle, but as you can see right here, it does show some reflective of me still, so we actually need to move behind the backdrop itself. This picture right here turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Only thing I needed to do was to get those shadows away from the bottle neck itself, so you can see the label on the neck a little bit better. I took up the highlights, I took up the whites, pulled down the blacks a little bit, just to make the bottle pop a little bit more. I had the settings of a shutter speed with 1 second, the aperture f11 and the ISO of 50 to minimize the noise. This worked out pretty good for me. Self-timer on 5 seconds, so I get the time to move behind the backdrop to minimize the reflection. So yeah, that was actually it. It's really easy. It may seem hard, but with this one trick, to move the light a little bit above the bottle itself, and for the rest of the light to blast on the white background, you are getting a really clean picture. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Try it out with different techniques. Try this out and hope it helped you. If it helped, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. My name is Kimi Elias and I'm out.